When it comes to manifesting money, prosperity, and abundance, every manifestation guru suggests a different technique. Have you ever heard of the quantum bridge manifestation technique? This technique is a unique and transformative approach to manifesting your desires. Unlike traditional manifestation methods, this technique taps into the principles of quantum physics and consciousness to create a bridge between your intentions and the quantum field, where all possibilities exist. If you understand this technique and practice it with your heart and soul, you can manifest your desires in 1 week. In this video, we are going to discuss this technique step by step and how you can practice it to get amazing results. Let me tell you this, I guarantee that this technique has a 100% success rate if you follow the steps in this video. Keep watching, and if you love Neville Goddard's teachings and law of assumption, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started. The first step of the quantum bridge manifestation technique is all about getting a good understanding of quantum ideas. To start, you need to delve into quantum physics, which gives us a very different way to look at the universe. Quantum physics challenges how we normally see the physical world. It talks about how tiny particles exist in a state of possibility until they're actually observed. This means that our understanding of reality is tied to how we observe it. As you learn more about quantum physics, you'll see it doesn't stick to our regular ideas of time and space. Instead, it introduces a non-linear, interconnected reality where past, present, and future all coexist at once. It might sound strange, but it's a basic idea in quantum theory. The big deal here is that it suggests your intentions, thoughts, and emotions aren't bound by time. They're all part of this timeless quantum field. To really get into quantum thinking, it's important to switch from just watching reality to actively taking part in the quantum world. Imagine yourself as a key player in the quantum field, where your thoughts and intentions are like waves of energy that interact with this field. When you do this, you'll realize your consciousness is central to shaping your own reality. You're not just a passive observer, you're co-creating your life's story. Quantum meditation is a powerful tool at this stage. During meditation, you'll dive into the sea of quantum possibilities. You won't just watch, you'll be part of the process. This is when you start planting the seeds of your intentions in the quantum field. It's like throwing a pebble into a pond, creating ripples that match the vibrations of your desires. The more you meditate and practice quantum thinking, the stronger these ripples become, reaching out to the quantum realm. In the second step of this technique, you get into the art of setting quantum intentions. It's not like traditional goal setting, it's more about aligning your desires with the potential of the quantum field. This step is all about being clear, specific, and affirmative. Your intentions need to be crystal clear and focused. Now's not the time for vague, unclear goals. The quantum field responds better to clear instructions. Instead of saying, I want more abundance, get specific, like, I want a successful career with an annual income of $100,000. Being clear in your intention is like sending a strong message to the universe, letting it know exactly what you want. Use positive language when you set your quantum intentions. Frame your intentions as positive, present tense statements. Instead of saying, I will have, use language like, I am, or I have. This language shift reinforces the idea that your desire is already a reality in the quantum field. It's like telling the universe that your consciousness is in sync with your desired outcome. Emotions are crucial in quantum intention setting. Your intentions should be emotionally charged. Feel the happiness, gratitude, and excitement linked to your desired outcome as if it's already happening. Emotions provide the energy that activates your intentions in the quantum field. The more emotionally connected you are to your desires, the more powerful the quantum effect becomes. Quantum anchoring is a unique technique in this step. You create a symbol or gesture that acts as a quantum anchor for your intentions. This symbol or gesture becomes a focus point, a connection to the quantum field. When you engage with this anchor, it triggers a quantum response, aligning you with your desires. It's like having a secret handshake with the universe, a way to communicate your intentions directly to the quantum realm. This step is a crucial part of the quantum bridge manifestation technique. This is where your desires shift from vague thoughts into specific, emotionally charged, and affirmative intentions that resonate with the potential of the quantum field. Your intentions become a guiding light in the sea of quantum possibilities, showing the universe how to make your dreams come true. Now, let's talk about the third step, quantum visualization. It builds on what you've learned about quantum awareness and intention setting. Visualization is a powerful tool for making your desires real, but in the quantum context, it gets even more powerful. It's not just about picturing things in your mind, it's about really diving into the scenes you imagine. So, Let's take this chance to create a positive thought and send it to the universe, and trust me, it will work like magic. Let's affirm and write in the comment section. In 2024, I am open to new opportunities and experiences. Now let's get back to our topic. Quantum visualization techniques are advanced ways to put yourself into the reality you want. You're not just watching, you're actively involved. In quantum visualization, you're not only seeing yourself achieving your goals, you're experiencing all the details with your senses. You feel the textures, smell the scents, taste the flavors, and hear the sounds as if you're already there. This makes your connection with the quantum field even stronger, because it's like you're already living it. In quantum visualization, you go beyond regular mental practice. You think about quantum entanglement, where you're connected to your desires. Imagine threads of quantum energy linking you to the people, resources, and situations that will make your intentions real. Feel this connection getting stronger with each visualization. It's more than just thinking about success, it's experiencing it on a quantum level. Make a daily quantum visualization practice part of your routine. Set aside some time each day for it. Doing it regularly is key to making your intentions align with the quantum field. Make it a habit, a special time when you really connect with the quantum world. Now, onto the fourth step of the quantum bridge manifestation technique, which is about quantum harmonization. This step is all about making sure your energy and thoughts are in tune with the quantum field, so your intentions match the endless possibilities it holds. Energetic resonance is the core of quantum harmonization. Realize that your thoughts, feelings, and intentions send out vibes. Just like musical notes need to be in sync to make beautiful music, your inner vibes must align with the vibrations of your desires in the quantum field. This alignment is crucial for your intentions to come true without a struggle. Quantum affirmations are a big part of this step. Create affirmations that strengthen your connection with the quantum field. These affirmations are like powerful statements that not only recognize your oneness with the quantum world, but also state your intentions as if they're happening right now. Affirmations like, "I'm in perfect sync with the quantum field and my desires come to life easily," can really amp up your resonance. Clearing your energy is another part of quantum harmonization. Regularly clear out any blockages or negative beliefs that might get in the way of your quantum alignment. Techniques like meditation, energy healing, or journaling can help you find and release these obstacles. By getting rid of these barriers, you open up a clearer path for your intentions to flow smoothly into the quantum field. Now, let's talk about the fifth step, quantum action. This step is all about bridging the gap between what you intend and what actually happens by combining practical action with quantum ideas. It highlights the importance of taking action that aligns with your quantum intentions to make your desires real. Inspired action is at the core of this step. Follow your gut and act on those inspired ideas and hunches that come up during your quantum practice. These insights are like direct messages from the quantum world, and it's important to trust them. They often guide you toward the right opportunities, connections, and situations that match your intentions. Making decisions from a quantum perspective is another crucial part. When you make choices, consider all the possibilities and go with the option that lines up with the version of reality you want. This means keeping an open mind about infinite possibilities and being ready for quantum shifts in the direction your life is heading. Before taking significant actions, establish a quantum alignment ritual. This ritual involves connecting with your quantum anchor and imagining yourself perfectly aligned with your desired outcome. It's a reminder that your actions are in harmony with your intentions and strengthens your quantum connection. Create a quantum feedback loop in this step. Regularly assess and adjust your strategies based on the quantum information you receive. Adapt your actions to stay in sync with your intentions. This ongoing process ensures that your actions remain in line with your quantum desires. Finally, we have the last step, quantum gratitude and surrender, which marks the end of your quantum manifestation journey. In this step, you focus on expressing gratitude for what's already manifested and for the ongoing support and guidance from the quantum field. It also involves letting go of the need for control and trusting the natural flow of the quantum world. Practicing gratitude is a powerful way to connect with the quantum field. Be thankful not just for what you've already brought into your life, but also for the constant role of the quantum field in your journey. Gratitude strengthens your connection with the quantum world and reinforces an abundant mindset. Letting go and surrendering are key aspects of this step. Surrender your urge to control every little detail of your manifestation. Trust that the quantum field is orchestrating the perfect unfolding of your desires. Release your attachment to specific outcomes, allowing the quantum field to surprise you with even greater possibilities. Surrendering like this acknowledges the wisdom and intelligence of the quantum realm. Quantum trust is the foundation of this step. Develop unwavering trust in the quantum field's ability to bring your intentions to life. Trust in its wisdom and timing. Practice patience and go with the quantum flow. Understand that the quantum field operates beyond regular time, and what you desire is already on its way. See you in the next video.